Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Mazda CX-7, the whole generation from year 2006 to year 2012, and you have the premium sound system with the Bose amplifier, guys, and you're trying to find the fuse for your sound amplifier, stay with us and we'll show you where it's located. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car and any car, every car we get at the shop, because our purpose, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, guys, let us know if the video was helpful, or if you guys have any certain repair that needs to be done, and we can make a video for that. So let's go ahead and show you where you can find the sound amp fuse now and how to replace it. So let us show you guys where the fuse now is located. You need to open the hood of your vehicle, doesn't matter which engine you have, and on the right side next to the car battery, okay, is your fuse box. Right here we have one clip that we need to press forward, pull the fuse box like that. Now we need to pull the box down and to the front and then up and get it out. Now the fuse, guys, that we'll be looking at, okay, is, let me show you now. If you come on this side, okay, this row right here, it will be the last fuse right here. That 40 amp fuse, guys, is actually, okay, for the Bose sound system. So this is the amplifier fuse. How you guys remove that? Usually, okay, I grab a screwdriver and gently pry it on this side and pull with the finger on the other one, but very gently, not to damage anything or short things out. If you have a plastic prying tool, it's better. Once you grab it with two fingers, you can pull it out. This is, guys, your fuse. Usually you can tell if the fuse is burnt or not just by looking through the little window here. Sometimes it may be a little bit hard to tell if it's burnt, so I'll show you guys what we use here to test them. Okay, just a voltmeter, guys. If you're on the market for a good voltmeter, check this thing out. We'll have the link to it in the description of the video below. Also, we'll have a link to where you can buy new fuses. Now, if the fuse is good, it should give us, guys, a 0 reading. Okay, 0 reading. Check this thing out. And ours, okay, it's a good fuse, guys. It's a good fuse. If it's burnt, it will be like you have no communication. It will just say OL. So definitely, guys, in our case, that's on the problem, it's somewhere else. It could be a bad amplifier as well, and we'll have a video how to replace one on the channel. So make sure you replace the fuse if it's burnt, or install your old one, push it all the way in, and don't forget to install the cover. You will need to do that, otherwise dust can get in. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.